Welcome to Sprout Network, the mobile mining app where earning crypto is as simple as a single tap. In this video, I'll guide you through what Sprout is, how to install it, how mining works, having milestones, team rewards, and the full earning mechanics. Let's dive in. Sprout Network launched in mid-2025, with official updates confirmed by August 27th. It's designed to make crypto accessible to everyone. No hardware, no complicated setup, and no battery drain. Just download, tap once a day, and your earnings grow for 24 hours. Sprout's mission is simple: bring blockchain to everyday people, with inclusivity and eco-friendly mobile mining at its core. Getting started is easy. Download Sprout Network from the Google Play Store. Open the app and sign up using Google or email. When prompted, enter my invite code, cryptowithregs. This way, you'll join my earning team and get started right away. Once you're logged in, just tap the mine button once every 24 hours. That's all it takes. The app runs passively in the background, so you don't need to keep it open. Like Bitcoin, Sprout has having milestones. As the community grows, the mining rate gradually decreases. This keeps the token supply sustainable, and it rewards those who join and stay active early. You can multiply your earnings by building your team. Share your invite code with friends. Their activity adds to your rewards. And with the security circle, you can add trusted members to boost your base rate by up to 25%. This encourages trust and teamwork within the network. Sprout earnings are based on 6 key mechanics. Base rate, your standard reward from daily tap mining. Team member rate, bonuses from your active invitees. Boost rate, temporary increases by watching ads or completing quick tasks. Security circle rate, up to 25% extra when you add trusted users. Having milestones, mining rates reduce as more users join, so early activity pays off. Future rewards, staking, NFTs, and cross-chain integrations will unlock new ways to earn. Sprout Network is more than just mining. It's a movement towards simple, sustainable, and community-driven crypto. Download the app today, enter invite code cryptowithregs, and start earning with just one tap a day. Stay tuned for more guides, and don't forget to like and subscribe.